Hello, officer. How are we doing? Here. And then push. This water, this front fender does nothing. Down the stairs we go. Yeah, you too. Be safe. Look what he's about to do what I'm about to do. Yo guys, what is going on? Thank you for checking out the video. Today we are on the Talaria XXX. It's a surprisingly warm day. It's like 45 degrees and it's been like 20 degrees as of recent, so we're outside. Even though it was raining earlier, it kind of let up. Still wet out, but yeah, we're just gonna quick pop around the city, see what's up. If you guys don't already know, I typically post Mondays and Fridays at 9 a.m. It's been a little bit tough recently. I haven't missed a day, I will say, but it's been a little tough recently just because it's been so cold, and not even just cold, like I can ride in the cold. It's also been terrible weather. It's been rain and snow and everything up here in the Northeast, but gotta take advantage of the nice days, even if it's a little wet, so we're out today. All right, let's pull this thing up. We don't have a ton of pads left on my foot brake, but we'll make do. Let's get some foot brake work in. I need to use this thing more. I need to get no hands. I just haven't had any time to like practice whatsoever. Hello, officer. How are we doing? Oh yeah, foot brake's feeling good today. It's been literally like probably 3.5 weeks since I've ridden this bike, so I'm hyped to be back on it. A little windy, eh? Yeah, we gotta get no hands. We gotta take a day where we just practice it a lot. Practice no hands. Gotta be careful because it is properly wet. It's always so depressing in the winter because it's literally like 4:30 right now and it's already about to be dark. It's crazy. Can we roll a Stoppie? Ooh, little front wheel slide there. Still in love with this bike, guys, in case you were wondering. I do really want to get an Ultra B, and I think to get an Ultra B we'd have to get rid of this thing. So let me know, guys, would you want to see Ultra B content, or do you like the XXX too much? Are we too attached? I'm pretty attached to this bike. I mean, it is so perfect and dialed, but it's like, you know, grass is always greener. You get a bike and then I'm like, no, I want this bike or that bike. So let me know down below if you guys would like to see ConnorG on an Ultra B. You've seen me on an Ultra B, but actually buy one. Now, I actually might get the chance to test out an Ultra B for like a week or so from my buddies up in Lansdale, PA. So we'll see if that can happen. But yeah, let me know if you want to see Ultra B content. It would just come at the price of the XXX being gone. So if that would be hurtful to too many of you, let me know. We'd still keep the Razor, obviously. Let's come on down here. These Shinkos I have, gonna need to be replaced soon. I'm not gonna put on the Supermotos. My homie Trent, he sent me these for my XXX, a new rear, but he also sent me Supermotos, so we'll put those on once it gets warm. But oh, this is wet as heck. Ooh, wet leaves are wet. Nobody here today for obvious reasons, except for me, of course. Here. Oh, that one sounded like a hard landing. I do want to get good at jumping and into jumping. The XXX doesn't really lend itself too much to that. We can still do it. All right, let's hit it again. Urban enduro. Nice. Yeah, guys, I hope a lot of you are happy to see the Razor content back. The Razor's up and running. I'm in love with the bike. It's honestly perfect. So we got it all dialed, so I'm happy to have that back active on the channel. If you like the Razor videos, also definitely let me know down in the comments. I know a lot of you do. It's obviously where I started. But hey, we're also super close to 100K subs. So if y'all could sub, that would mean the world to me. It motivates me to keep making videos. Can we get up to a stand-up? We can. Let's go. My seat is so wet though. Guys, I figured out stand-ups so much better now. Basically, I realized I wasn't standing far enough back on the seat. But if I'm all the way at the back of the seat, it makes stand-up so much easier. if you guys hear that. Every time I hit bumps on this thing though, my front suspension does not sound good. Gonna need to replace the front forks. I might just do the Talaria Sting factory forks, which are better than these stock ones. We'll see though. Get a little rolling Bernie here. So fun to do. We can go to our little circle area here, hit some circles for ya. We love our nice tight feet up circles. See if we can death spin. Oh, got to come in tight and then push. Bring the foot back up, and then it spins around a lot quicker. I've recently only just kind of learned those, so still getting better at them. But so circle, we're gonna spin, we're gonna drop our foot, and then we're gonna push. And see how it spins us around faster. And woo. We're gonna drop that. I'm getting dizzy now. Sit down circles, feet up, and then we're gonna come up to a knee knock. Knee knock circles honestly are even easier than sit down circles. All right. Whee! Sideways, baby. And the beautiful art museum. And the skyline, we love it. What do you say, some more foot brake? Even on this unlevel stuff. Yeah, the foot brake I feel pretty good on. As long as the road is very predictable and smooth. Just like when you hit a pothole and you drop further back, I kind of panic sometimes. Oh, what? They moved the statue up here? That used to be down there. That's kind of crazy. Traffic, traffic, traffic. I always ride at rush hour. Let's pull off this throttle hand here, pal. It is always weird hopping between the XXX and the Razor in terms of the throttle response. Look at this water. This front fender does nothing. The Razor is a better tune in my opinion. Electron Code just has the perfect tune. This thing still got a great tune. Best XXX tune that I've ridden because I customized it to my own liking. But Razor has the best tune. Woo! These things are bendy, right? Yeah. I think we can just ollie right over it. That just smacked me in the knee, damn it. Owie. Why am I so stupid? Ah. Ah. It's like that Peter Griffin. Ah. You know, I was always curious what this Schuylkill Yards thing is over here. I'm gonna shoot over here, see what it's all about. Anything fun here? We gotta see, ooh, if we can get down to a side saddle. Oh, and then let's try and get back up to a knee knock. Oh, that's confusing. Woo! Oh wait, we gotta circle the tree. It only makes sense, right? Bit of a blind spot. The guy's trying to make his train. All right, onwards we go. Down the stairs we go. So sit down, knee knock, stand up. Stand-ups are so much easier now. And I can do them nice and slow. Oh yeah, it would help if I had riser bars, but I don't like the way they look really. Now we're going into West Philly. Don't really ride over here much. Not for any particular reason, I just don't. But this is where Pan and Drexel are. Can we swerve in this wet? It's a little unnerving. I don't like that. It's easier to go from knee knock because you can kind of like step up. If you go from sit down, you gotta jump. Like, I'll show you. This is sit down to stand up. You gotta jump. And then like your foot placement on the landing is a little harder to get it further back. Campus. As the holidays come up, I'm gonna spend a lot of time back at my family, so there should be a little difference in terms of the setting for where I'm gonna be riding, so that should be exciting for you guys. We also have another big video in the works with this bike specifically, something that might be surprising to everyone, so you'll see that when you see it, but hopefully it's done pretty soon. What do we got here? Scrambler. Is that a T120? I said, is that a T120? Oh, it's a speed twin. Oh, it's nice, man. I like it. Yeah, you too. Be safe. Look what he's about to see what I'm about to do. Woo! Imagine he says be safe and then I just proceed to loop right after. That would be pretty on brand for me. I'm an e-bike. Hit the bike lane. Oh, beautiful. I love this little vantage point from the city. Woo! Alright guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this random video. I enjoyed it. I had fun. I got to ride my bike, so can't complain. But as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.